Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen for this particular week, we have seen the price of gold is creating a red candle. Okay, but previous 2 days, 2 weeks, what we have seen, there is a green candle is forming. And if you look at this particular chart, there is a continuous upside we have seen, as you can see in the pattern. Okay, and it is trying to form a narrow pattern, as you can see in the charts. Probability can be high. Suppose if the price sustain above a level of around 33.85, there is a probability it can sustain, and a probability will be there that if it started going above a level of 3400, there is a probability that it can move further high. But if it started falling below this level, we can see there can be a further downfall if it started going below a level of $33.10, because there is a pattern forming in this range, so probability of further low can be seen. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, the price of gold depends on a lot of factors. One of the factor is dollar index. So when dollar index rises, we see the price of gold comes down. Similarly, when the dollar index moves down, we see the gold price goes up. Okay, see, if you look at the chart of dollar index, we have seen the dollar index now trading at a level of $98.4. A swing is formed at this level, and if that sustained, we can see it can move towards a level of 99, and from there a further upside can be seen towards 99.5. And if the price moving off this level, the probability of touching 100.4 we can see, then to a level of 100.7, and if that sustained, we can see it can touch a level of 102 to a further upside. But if it started falling below this level, it can move towards 97.6, which is already weak, so we can see the price can come down and can move towards 96.9, and from there a further fall can be seen towards 96.3. Okay, and if the price fall below this level, we can see the price will come down, and from there it can move towards a level of 96.8 to a level of 96.3, 94.8 to a level of 94.3, and can be seen towards 93.5. Coming back again on the gold price, what we can see, as we can see the chart, the price of dollar index is trying to go higher. So suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, this is, as we have seen for the full week, it is forming a red candle. Suppose if the price sustain this level, it can move towards next level of 33.64. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above a level of 33.64, probability of sustaining next level we can see towards the next resistance, that is 33.76. this 33.64 is already being tested, so the price can rise towards 33.76, and once the price sustaining of this level, probability of going towards 33.92 we can see. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above 33.92, probability of going towards resistance 4, that is $34.04, and once the price sustain above 34.04, a probability of going towards next level, that is, we can see it can touch a level of $34.36. okay, and once the price sustain above 34.36, probability of touching a level of 34.55 we can see, and if the price moving this level, a further upside can be seen. Okay, because this 34.35 is already tested, so we can see the price can rise further upside, and it can touch a level of 3500, which is an all-time high. So best, if the price sustain over 3500, you can trail your SL by $10 to $15, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside if the price sustain above 3500. okay, so if it sustain above 3500, keep trailing your SL by 10 to 15, so you can capture a big movement towards an high side. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if it started falling below this level, it can move further down towards next support, that is a level of around 33.24. Suppose if the price moving below a level of 33.24, the next support, which is very close and already weak resistance support, that is $33.04, and once the price sustain below that particular level, we can see the price can move further down towards $32.83. okay, and if the price falling below 32.83, probability of going below a level of 32.81, and if the price fall below 32.81, then the support, next support is $32.53, and once started falling below this level, a further fall can be seen towards $32.43. Okay, and if the price fall below $32.43, a further fall can be seen towards further down. Okay, because there will be a zone breakout after 32.43, and this level is already weak, so we can see the price can move further down towards a level of $32.01, and then a further fall can be seen. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it.